Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with what hopefully is a quick little pour on this. I think it was a 30 centimetre by 25, so not very big, but I am just trying a colour combination out, so I want to see if it comes out looking okay for a bigger pour that I've got planned for it. So welcome you guys to my channel. I am just bringing my paints over and I'll get started. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and who are regulars. I really appreciate all your fantastic comments and your feedback. You are just the best. You've helped me reach my 80,000 subscribers and I am so grateful, really so grateful. So thank you. So this is going to be a little bit of a kiss and blow technique. So it's basically the Dutch pour and the Aussie kiss. There is a little mismatch of paints that I've got here, sort of all leftovers. There's a couple that I've got the boom gel that I've just mixed with a bit of water so I can get the consistency to blow. I've got some of the Mont studio acrylics. Oh, I've got it all. So I'm going to just start because I just wanted this to be a quick video for you. So this is the Mont. It would have been the Mont purple. And I think it looks like I've added a little bit of phthalo blue in there, but as I said, these colours were all basically pre-made for previous pours, and I'm sort of, going through them. I've got a bit of a bend in my tool, so I'm just going to spread this over real quick. A coat to just give it one coat and then see if I've got the paint at the right consistency for the Dutch pour, which is obviously to blow it. I can see already that there is silicone in this particular paint. I can tell the way it's kind of going in little holes. The silicone does that, so probably could do with being a little thinner. But I'm going to risk it and see how I go. Risk it for a Swisskit. But this colour is really quite delicious. It's not my berry delicious because I haven't added a lot of the red to it, but it looks pretty nice to me. So the thing is, I have some. This was the boom gel stain and it has got nothing but just water in it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just do one corner, she says. So it's just my way. So that's the flame tree red. Then this is the Mont orange that I've watered down just with water, I believe. As I said, I've had this mixed up and I can't remember. So I'm putting it kind of not just in one line to blow because I want to do some kisses in the one corner. So I'm going to do it this particular way. This is the yellow in the boom gel, I do know that. So I just think these colours will go really nicely with the purple background. Now this was a little bit of the colour effects by Plaid left over, and it is just simply mixed with water, but it's got that lovely kind of what do you call it when it colour shift. It sort of can see like a lilac in it and a blue, so I'm hoping that when it's put over and blown out that it will give some awesome effects. So as you see, this particular style only requires a very small amount of paint, so if you're kind of on a budget and you need to not use much paint, it's very easy sort of style for you to achieve a really nice outcome at a budget cost. And we all love that because it's just very thin paints. Okay, I'm leaving it there. I'm leaving it. Honestly, I'm going to just use my heat embossing gun just to burst the bubbles. Already loving those colours together. Now I've got my big boy blower, which I'm going to definitely try to look for a smaller hairdryer and not so powerful. Somebody told me to try it without the diffuser on. So let's give this a go without the diffuser. If it seems to go AWOL, then I will put the diffuser back on. So, which my paintings do go AWOL. No, it is not blowing. I can just feel it's not pushing the paint far enough. So let's see if I can. Ooh, love those colours. Let's try again. Okay, that's been lost again in there. Lost. Okay, let me put some more red. It's kind of more orange. Can't get this right, can I? But there's no right and wrong. I have to keep telling myself this. There is no right and wrong because everybody's is different and you can do whatever you like. So let's try this again. Should I scrape that off or should I? Decisions. I'll just give it a blow over that. See how I go. Ugh. Well. Inferno, fire and ice. Well, there's not really ice, but not liking this bitty bob, but we'll see what we can do. I know I can get this to come up lovely with the kiss of life from my balloon. So just give it. It's kind of softened it. I've got a little bit of negative space, not too much. I will fix my edges up after. I can just put a bit of paint on that's run off, so that's no big deal. What I would probably prefer to do is leave this paint to dry maybe 30 minutes. So the paint absorbs into the canvas and it sort of, no, it's not really just tacky, but it means that the balloon will leave a better impression in the paint. And my balloon's leaking by the... Oh! I've got a leak! Oh, holy dooly, I can't have that. Okay, bin it. let's just see what my bigger balloon does. It's probably too small a canvas to have this big balloon, but we just give it a try. So if you're ballooning, put your belly button in between your fingers and just give it a press in and back up. So I only want to do a few balloons on this very bottom. So that's it. That is it. That's actually quite pretty. Whether this dries with a bit of that colour shift in it. So I'm quite happy with that. Looky. I want to do this on a big canvas. I want to do those colours on a much bigger canvas. So it was just a practice run, and I think I know how I can improve on it for the bigger one. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed that very quick video for me, and you're all safe and well. And please, phone a friend if you need to talk, if you're feeling a bit down in the dumps, or better still, go get yourself some paint. Whether you've got a kitchen table to do it on, or a bench in a laundry, just go and throw some paint, guys. Enjoy. It's really lovely, and it's fun to do, and it certainly can get you out of the doldrums. I do it myself all the time when I'm feeling down. I come out here, shut the door, and it really does help. It really does. So please hope that does that all for you guys. So thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, which I think I'm going to bring in a new segment into my channel for a few weeks. I'll probably save it till next time to tell you what I'm going to do. But anyway, I do hope you join me, and I hope you stay safe. And bye for now, and wait on for the finished dry photos. So bye for now.